What's happening, Fashion Pandas? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, just bought myself another pair of shoes, and I think these are ending up being really good value. I know that Polo, Ralph Lauren, was kind of a trendy for a long time, but I got these Faxons, and I just thought they looked cool. And like I said, they're not really any more expensive than any other shoe anymore. So this is what they look like. As you can see here, we have the Polo logo embroidered on the side. Kind of a black denim canvas look here. Really white side sole. This will probably get dirtied out pretty easily. And you can see heel support there. Also got stuff in the shoe. A very bright red inside. I kind of like that. I always wanted to make a clothing line where the inner lining was red. That was going to be its thing. Never did it. Maybe you could do it. Steal my idea. Split some money with me. It says Polo on what looks to be a artificial leather tag on the tongue right there. And then what I like here is traditional cotton, I'm assuming cotton black shoelaces. You can see a little black piping right on the leading edge of the saddles here. And then on the bottom, just kind of a textured sole, no particular grooves or anything like that, and Polo right there. So it's a pretty smart looking shoe. It's a pretty smart looking shoe for sure. I mean, I think that's not bad looking. And for the price, pretty good deal. If you want to check out these shoes, I'll put a link to them in the description so you can shoe on, my friends. Shoe on. Peter Von Panda out.